Mwah. Need you for a sec.
She good?
We're gonna close your eyes.
Oh, okay.
And Mickey's gonna lead you in. Come on in. Closed eyes, please. Closed eyes. I gotcha. I gotcha. And when you're ready to see your bride, you can open your eyes and turn around.
Okay. Hi, Beverly.
Hi.
Hi.
What'd you think? What'd you think?
Come out this way.
No touch.
No touch.
Yeah.
Come this way. There you go. Get in the light. There you go.
What you think? Look, it started. I told you.
Dude, no.
He took a video for us. See, look at your little face.
You're dumb.
I told him he's gonna be the one to cry at the wedding, and he was like, "No, I'm not. No, I'm not."
Well, this deserves a tear or two.
Yeah.
It really does.
Thank you.
We have the groom's approval on everything.
Yes.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Love,
Yes.
love my hair.
100%. Yes.
I absolutely love it. I love it.
I'm so happy you do. I love it too. And look at her, these beautiful flowers. Show Anthony your flowers. They're wood.
Yeah.
Oh, those are nice.
Isn't that gorgeous, Etsy?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
I wouldn't
so
have been
pretty.
able to tell. Seriously.
I know, they're perfect. Perfect. Everything
Etsy's
goes so
such
beautiful.
a lifesaver, right?
It is.
Oh yes. The earrings too.
Yeah, earrings are from Etsy. All that.
Beautiful. You're all set, my love.
Thank you so
Is there
much.
anything else we can do for you?
No, you've already gone like above and beyond.
Perfect.
Although I do have your money.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Certain you want.
Why not? Since I'm here. Look, and I think we have an approval from,
Odie's?
There's your bow
from the
tie.
mister with his
There's your
bow
bow
tie.
tie.
You
There you go, buddy.
You're squishy.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, you wishy.
Oh, baby, come. So cute, Bobby. Mwah. So cute. Good boy.
Show Anthony your
Good boy.
boots.
Oh, yeah.
Look at.
Are you wearing the
Aren't
sandals?
those cool?
Oh, no,
What?
okay.
Yeah, I'm just wearing like boot
They
boots.
match the flowers you're
Yeah.
carrying. Oh
I
my
got like
gosh.
everything to match the same color scheme. We matched his, the little color right there is for his suit. And like it matches the flowers. Beautiful. Beautiful.
You shake the bow tie back.
There, there's
You
your bow
little
tie.
stinker.
Go
All right,
play,
so
baby.
you just gotta finish up.
It's literally
Yeah.
gonna take him 5
Right.
minutes.
Get out of
I
here.
know, right?